Did you know there's a hidden switch inside your body that once flipped can bring your legs back to strength and agility, almost like when you were younger? And the surprising part is that switch can be triggered by something as simple as your morning cup of coffee. Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me today. I'm going to share the science behind this coffee secret so you can keep your legs strong and fight off sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that robs so many of us after 60. If you've noticed your legs getting weaker since turning 60, don't go anywhere. Every part of this video has answers for you. And if you believe this topic matters, give me a quick like right now, because in a moment, I'll walk you step by step through how to do it. You see, every morning I drink coffee just like millions of Americans. But after 60, I noticed something strange. Coffee still sharpened my mind, but my legs didn't feel any stronger. I saw the same thing in my patients. Linda, 68, once ran up the stairs. Now she grips the railing for dear life. Alan, 72, eats plenty of meat, but when he lifts his grandchild, his legs tremble. Most people shrug and say, that's just aging. But it's not that simple. The real issue is a biological phenomenon called anabolic resistance. Your body can't hear the muscle-building signal the way it used to. You've got the bricks protein, you've got the signal exercise. But the foreman on the job site has gone half-deaf. So the muscles shrink, the steps slow down, and the risk of falls skyrockets. Can you relate? If so, type yes in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Now picture this, your body as a construction site. Protein is the brick, exercise is the order. In youth, the site is buzzing. After 60, the foreman ignores the call. That's anabolic resistance, and unless we break through it, your body keeps breaking muscle down. The good news, there's a loudspeaker that can wake the foreman up. Its name is leucine. Leucine is an essential amino acid. Your body can't make it. But it's more than just another brick. It's the master switch. At the right dose, about 2.5 to 3 grams at once, it activates the mTOR pathway, the engineer in charge of muscle growth, and commands your body to start building again. Clinical studies show older adults who add leucine to a protein meal build far more muscle than with protein alone. The mistake many people waste money on, BCAA blends. The leucine dose inside is too low. You never reach the threshold, so nothing happens. That's why focusing on leucine itself is a game changer. If this explanation makes sense, tap that like button, because next I'll explain why morning coffee is the perfect partner for leucine. Why coffee? 3 big reasons. Reason 1, the absorption window. After a night of fasting, your stomach is empty. Leucine slides in fast, hits the bloodstream hard, and flips the muscle switch. Reason 2, caffeine. Coffee dilates your blood vessels, improving circulation so leucine gets delivered to your muscles quicker. It also gives you energy to move. Reason 3, habit. You already drink coffee daily. Add leucine and you've upgraded a ritual you never miss into a muscle-protecting practice. Take Evelyn, 71, of my patients. She added leucine to her coffee every morning. 4 weeks later, she climbed stairs with ease and no longer stopped halfway to catch her breath. A small change repeated daily made a massive difference. Do you drink coffee every morning? If yes, type coffee in the comments. I want to see how many of you already have this ritual. And keep watching, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Here's the protocol. Dose 2.5 to 3 grams of pure L-leucine powder. Timing within 30 to 60 minutes of waking on an empty stomach. How stir it into a hot cup of black coffee for 20 seconds. It's slightly bitter, but coffee masks it well. After drinking, do light resistance moves 10 to 15 chair stands, a few calf raises, or a short walk. That's the double signal. Frequency. At least 5 days a week. In 2 to 4 weeks, you'll feel the difference. If you have kidney or liver disease or take chronic medications, consult your doctor first. Avoid capsules or BCAA blends. You'd need 6-7 pills just to hit the target dose, and absorption is slower. If these instructions are helpful, give me a like and stay tuned, because next I'll show you how to get leucine naturally from your meals. Not a fan of powders. You can still hit the leucine threshold through food. 2 eggs plus half a cup of Greek yogurt equals sign about 3 grams. 100 grams of chicken breast equals sign 2.5 grams. A cup of soybeans or tofu equals sign 2.8 grams. Cottage cheese or a scoop of whey protein makes an easy snack. The key is distribution. Aim for 25-30 grams of high-quality protein, about 3 grams of leucine at each meal. Don't dump all your protein into dinner. That's a mistake many make. One study found seniors who spread leucine evenly across meals held on to muscle far better than those who ate it all at night. Would you like me to prepare a full 7-day leucine-rich meal plan for you? If so, comment yeses below, and if you leave your email, I'll even send you a printable version for your fridge. Back to leucine. Remember, it's powerful, but it doesn't stand alone. HMB leucine's metabolite helps very frail seniors who barely exercise. Creatine, well-researched, boosts strength when paired with resistance training. Vitamin D3 and total protein form the foundation. The mistake thinking supplements replace exercise. No pill or powder can build your legs if you don't move them. If you'd like me to break down leucine versus HMB whey and creatine in detail, hit subscribe. That will be the focus of an upcoming video. So let's recap the common mistakes I see. Taking too little leucine, never hitting the threshold. Mixing it with sugary creamers that blunt the effect. Believing drinking alone is enough, skipping the movement. Ignoring medical advice if you have kidney or liver issues. Avoid these pitfalls and your effort will finally pay off. Now give yourself just 4 weeks. Week 1. Start coffee plus leucine plus 10 minutes of movement. Week 2. Notice the changes. Steadier steps, easier stairs. Week 3. Add more resistance chair exercises, light weights. Week 4. Compare to where you started: stairs, groceries, playtime with grandkids. You'll feel the difference. Remember, strength in old age doesn't come from miracles. It comes from small choices repeated daily. 1 scoop of leucine, 1 cup of coffee, 1 set of sit-to-stands. Each small brick builds the wall of independence you deserve. If you found value in today's video, please hit like, not for me, but so this message can reach other seniors who need it. Subscribe for more science-backed, down-to-earth health tips for life after 60. And finally, drop your city and country in the comments. I love seeing how far our community stretches around the world.